We've been traveling full-time for years, and if there's one thing that every traveler ends up collecting, it's travel adapters.
So today we're testing something completely different, the new Aero 70.
So let's see if it's actually worth packing.
As travel creators, we are charging something all the time. Cameras, phones, drones, power banks. It never ends.
So for us, a travel adapter is not just another accessory, it's one of those things that we use every single day. So the first thing we notice is probably how thin it is. It slips easily into a backpack pocket, but probably the coolest feature is the smart display. It shows real-time charging information, battery status, temperature, and even includes a built-in compass. It's a little thing, but surprisingly useful when you're constantly on the move. It delivers up to 70 watts of total USB-C charging. That's enough to power laptops, tablets, phones, cameras, and whatever devices you need to travel with.
It also works in over 200 countries with interchangeable plugs. So instead of carrying different adapters everywhere, this becomes your single charging hub.
If you only travel once a year, this might be more than you need. But if you're a frequent traveler, a digital nomad, or simply have a lot of tech, we can definitely see the appeal.
For us, anything that saves space or keeps our setup simple is always welcome.
So, we'll definitely be taking the Aero 70 on our next trips.
See you somewhere around the world.